Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, March 2nd, and I got a couple of charts to show. I want to talk about the 76 tick line break on the NASDAQ. Again, I started it at 12 noon and it just couldn't be any more perfect. Today the trades lined up on the chart nicely. You know, perhaps the market was moving a little slower, but the entries and exits lined up on the bars today. This hit its goal of 1,000 with $100 slippage in 6 minutes. I mean, that's just incredible. And I had it on long only, and if we look at our 5-minute chart, we see it was a down day, but at 12 noon, 11:45 was the low. So just coming off the low right here, all that action, $1,100, is in one bar, and that kind of underscores the reason we trade the NASDAQ is there's just such incredible volatility. There's opportunity literally every step of the way. So this is the fib grid plotted on the chart, and this is the weekly opening range filter here. So this kind of bounced off the top of the weekly open range right here. That was support, and then it broke through it here. The black line would be the week open, which was actually Monday. So today's range, about 1,000 ticks, a little more than yesterday. But you can see this kind of down, up, and then down. So if I draw the Fibonacci extension here, I'm suspecting this is close to a symmetrical move. Well, it's exactly 76% on an ABC move here, not quite 100. But notice that the low of the day here was 100% of the daily range, this red line here, and that this retracement here, this first retracement, and this support here is the 50% of the range from the open. So I just wanted to show some other charts that traded on the Autotrader today. This is 150 tick, and this is trading a single contract with a $500 goal and a 40 tick profit target. So it's just going for $200 a trade. And I have stop loss calculation mode 2, which is the low of the bar. And it looks like it had a little bit of a drawdown, a little over $300, and then it came back with 4 winners in a row and hit its goal and had positive slippage. Okay, 1-minute line break. Again, a short and a long trade. We kind of saw this kind of pattern yesterday, and there was much more to go in this move, but still hitting its goal. This has a 2-for-1 money management ratio, 500 to 1,000, limit order with 1 tick pullback. Okay, the Emini S&P on a 1-minute line break chart had 3 winners in a row. Really great back-to-back trades, and hit its goal of 1,500. Again, a 2-to-1 ratio, and really great positive slippage here. Okay, here's your Heikin Ashi 500 tick, another great opening range trade. Probably didn't get filled here. I think this has a 16 tick pullback. And so probably what happened here is it just wasn't enough to get filled, but it did get filled here and hit its goal on the move down. But the open range filter keeping you from getting whipsawed long. And trading was done in just a few minutes. Okay, the Emini S&P Super Inco 4 tick did hit its goal today of 1,000, 650 stop limit, and this is using the open range filter. There were 2 losers right here. This is also using well, stop loss calculation mode 0, which is ticks, but the way I have this is at 1 tick profit, it's trailing the volatility stop, so that's why the stop outs here are pretty small. But then these three winners, there was another loser here, but there was three winners here, here, and here, and that brought us up to the goal of 1,000 with a couple of ticks slippage. So very nice trading on the ES. That's all for today's video.